In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find blocked accounts on Reddit. If you've been using Reddit for a while, there's a good chance you've blocked a few users along the way. Maybe it was to avoid spam, harassment, or just content you didn't want to see. Over time, though, you might forget exactly who you blocked or want to review that list and make changes. That's exactly what we're going to walk through, step by step. First, open Reddit and make sure you're signed into your account. This can be on the website in a browser or in the Reddit mobile app. The process is very similar. Once you're on the main Reddit screen, look to the top right corner of the page or screen. You'll see your profile icon there. It might be your avatar or just a generic profile silhouette if you haven't customized it. Go ahead and click or tap on that profile icon. This opens a small menu with options for your profile, settings, and more. From that menu, you'll want to go into your account settings, look for the option labeled Settings, and click or tap on it. This will take you to a dedicated settings area where Reddit groups together everything related to your account preferences, notifications, privacy, and security. It may look slightly different depending on whether you're on desktop or mobile, but the labels are consistent. Once you're in the settings section, find the area related to your privacy. On most devices, you'll see a tab, a list item, or a heading called Privacy or Privacy and Security. Select that. This is where Reddit lets you control who can see your activity, how your data is handled, and which users you've chosen to block. Inside the privacy settings, scroll until you find the option labeled Blocked Accounts. Go ahead and click or tap that. This will open the full list of Reddit accounts that you've blocked from interacting with you. From here, you can review every user you've blocked. Depending on Reddit's current interface, you can usually unblock someone by selecting an option next to their name if you've changed your mind. And that's all there is to it. By going to your profile icon, opening your settings, heading into privacy, and selecting blocked accounts, you'll always know exactly